So this is the third of a series of public-private dialogues that we've convened since last December. A key focus of this exercise is to promote and popularize the forthcoming African Fertilizer and Soil Health Summit, which is being organized by the African Union and various partners. From a AFAP standpoint, this is also an opportunity for us to engage with our stakeholders with whom we've worked over the last decade to do a stock take of what some of their challenges are, what their needs are, and how we can develop programming to support them in the coming years. So AFAP is a social enterprise that was formed just over 10 years ago. Our focus is on working with agri-SMEs, in particularly the fertilizer sector, but also others in the input sector. Our aim is to develop the value chain and to help, through our interventions and working with these agri-SMEs, reduce the price of inputs for smallholder farmers. My name is Michael Sudarkasa, and I'm the CEO of the African Fertilizer and Agribusiness Partnership, AFAP.
Yes, so PolicyLink in Ghana is working with AFAP in Ghana to really bring key stakeholders up. So we all know right now the issue of soil health is a key issue in the agricultural sector. And for PolicyLink, as one of the key policy areas that we support in the government and actors in Ghana is fertilizer-related policies, and that will really contribute to enhancing access to fertilizer by smallholder farmers. And for this reason, we partner with AFAP to convene a Ghana roundtable to discuss issues that affect the fertilizer subsector, and particularly working with private sector actors to find solutions that will drive access to smallholder farming. I'm Yunus Abdullahi, country lead for USA supported Feed the Future PolicyLink activity in Ghana.
So for the regional public policy dialogue, it's a very necessary platform because it's looking at the West Africa region, what is already happening, and then also to talk within the industry and help to formulate actions that the Africa Fertilizer and Soil Health Summit will take in June or July 2023. And after that, they will have a 10-year policy action. And for me, it is very important because as I work on fertilizer market information, we need to know what the industry wants so that we can provide this information to them to help them in their decision making.
In some months from now, Africa will decide on the path for the coming 10 years on how to solve this issue of soil health, plant nutrition, so that we are providing in a sustainable way food, nutritious food to our population. So today in Accra, we are discussing issues related to the West Africa situation, which is slightly different from the other regions in Africa, but we have all the same major problems, but we have also some specificities. And we are happy to contribute to these discussions because we've been involved in this space for about 20 years. And we believe that our expertise is of interest and value for all participants here.
My name is Nanaisha Mohammed. I'm the Country Manager and West Africa Implementation Lead for the African Fertilizer and Agribusiness Partnership based out in Ghana. Earlier this year, as part of AFAP's work preparation activities towards the African Soil Summit that is being held later on in Dakar, later on in the year in Dakar, we started a series of countrywide consultations with private sector, trying to galvanize private sector voices and also organizing public-private dialogues to prepare delegates and countries and regions towards the summit. As part of the work that we were doing in Ghana, we were approached by PolicyLink, a USAID-funded initiative looking at providing technical support to government and also convening policy discussions in countries to co-organize and prepare the country Ghana for its participation in the West Africa Dialogue. We held a one-day consultation discussion which brought together public and private participants, having quite a deliberate on key issues and key outcomes and challenges in the country, which has fed into the ensuing 2 days West Africa related activities. Thank you.